know it's been a minute. My name is Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby. I got my Fashom box. It was the end of the semester for me at college, and grading papers, and the life of an English professor is very busy towards the end of the semester. So, but I'm excited to be back trying to, just be better basically at my wardrobe. So if you're not familiar with Fashom, it's a styling box. You don't have to get it on a subscription regular cycle. You can just place an order whenever the spirit moves you, and you can fill out the information, and you can even do a quick 10 or 15 minute video conference with styling people if you're interested. So I'm going to turn off the fan. Hold on one second. It's jiggling. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Okay. So it comes with the mailer to mail back what you don't want, and your folder, your envelope. They send you a preview. You pick 5 from 7 products to get shipped to you, or you say, no, this doesn't hit the mark, and they send different ones. If you keep everything, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 to 4 pieces, you get 15% off. This has my request, and I think the little note from my stylist, plus the cost of everything, which I'll look at later. Hello, Elizabeth. Yay, your next Fashom box has arrived. Thank you for returning to another session with us. My name is Jackie, and I'll be your new stylist. I'm so excited to work together, and will do my best to keep the great fashion you've been receiving going. I took a look at your past history and requests for this box, and I have some great casual summer pieces for you today. Awesome. Since you mentioned you're looking for a pair of longer jean shorts, I thought you'd like these from Democracy, which contain stretch. Hallelujah. Because if you watched my video before, it was a hot mess. To go with them, I've selected a few t-shirts, and I think you'll especially love the Studio Co and White Birch styles. Pair these casual looks with your favorite white sandals or seat sneakers. I've also included this dress for you from Mito Shop, and it even has pockets. Have fun trying everything on, and I hope you find some new pieces to add to your wardrobe. Let me know how it all works out. Your feedback is really helpful for future stylings. Enjoy. Stylishly yours, Jackie. Well, thank you, Jackie. I think my shorts from, I can't remember if it was Wonderful or Stitch Fix, were just ridiculous. But in your box, you get your little bundle. Look how cute. It looks like I have yellow and blue and denim and more blue. So I hope the yellow is a dress. I can't remember what I picked. So I will be back, and let's try it on and see what works on my body. For reference, I'm like a 16, 18, depending. I'm 5'7.5". I lost a little bit of weight, and I lost it all in my boobs, so I have no boobs left, but it is what it is. If I could take it from my double chin and from my knees, that would be great. So let's try it on and see what we have. Okay. I had a brain freeze. I haven't showed it to you. I don't even know what's in here. Good gravy. So let's look at it first before I try them on. I don't know what's going on. It's been a while, right? So this is from Skies Are Blue. This is Dandelion Yellow. It's in a 2X. Oh, it's just a little dress, a little shift dress. It's very lightweight. Keyhole neck in the back. A little bit of crochet here in the front, just a tiny little bit. That might work for the summer. It's just a cute little summer yellow dress for when it's unbearably humid out there. This material feels amazing. This is by Bamboo Collection, Studio Co Clothing. This is in navy and a 1X. It is just a shirt, a pretty plain shirt. It's got the seam down the back of it. And it looks like a little bit of like a flutter sleeve. So, you know, you're basic. We'll see. We'll try that one on. Is this tie-dye? Mint purple in a 1X by White Birch. This material is amazing. It has a banded sleeve. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not. Looks like a V-neck, kind of a tulip hem maybe in the back. The material is great on this. I don't know if it's gonna be hot though. That's the, we'll see. We'll see. This is, what is this? Another dress? Yes. This is by MTS. Maybe, I don't know what MTS is. It's in a 2X. It's a cute color. Look, it's like a little like periwinkle or blue. It's got flowers on it. It's just a light t-shirt dress, a little bouncy in the material. If I look at, this is the one that has pockets, by the way. It looks more of kind of a denim color almost. I'll show you, I'll get closer when I try on. That's cute. That might be just a cute, another shirt for, or another dress for those hot days. And then these are Curve Equality, engineered to lift, expand, and enhance. What? I don't want expanded. Hold on. Engineered to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit, because all shapes are different but created equal. And it has structured slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. It's by Democracy. These are really, really light washed. Pair of Bermudas. Yeah, they're okay. They remind me of the 80s, but you know, I know 90s are making a comeback, so maybe 80s are okay as well. Now I'm gonna try stuff on. I'm gonna try the shorts and the shirts first and save the dresses for later, because I think I'll probably have more luck with the dresses than with the shorts and the shirts. Let's try them on. Okay, so these are the shorts, and this is the navy blue top. So let's start with the top. The top is, it's perfectly fine. It's a nice material. It's just sort of got kind of an open neck. The sleeves are, there's enough room in here. It's a scoop front and a scoop back, so it's got nice coverage. This is the color. It's just a navy blue little band here. It's a plain basic, but that's not bad, right? The material, like I said, is really great. This will depend on the cost, quite frankly, to see, excuse me, how much this basic kind of t-shirt is. But even moving into the fall, it would be great to wear under a jacket or a blazer, or with jeans and a sweater. So yeah, the shirt is good. The shorts, nope. They're a little baggy in the waist, which is better than skin tight. I do not like the color at all. The length is fine. I rolled them up. They slouch down, so I'm afraid they'll get stretched out and kind of gap here in the crotch area. Here's the back. They do have that stretchy waist, which is great, but they're just not for me. Maybe if it was a darker wash, I might like them a little more, but I'm not a fan. I don't get real dark, and so they're just not for me. But I'm going to try the other shirt on, and I'll be right back, and we'll see how the tie-dye looks. So it is really long. It's like mid-thigh, and there's a little hole here. So that's not good. The sleeves, at first I thought I wasn't going to like them because of the band, but they're stretchy. The material is very comfy. I feel like it doesn't do a whole lot for me. Yeah, it's, the material is fantastic. Here's the back. It's really long. It's full bum coverage. Kind of comes up on the side there. But this, yeah, this is going to go back. It's too long. So if it was maybe a little shorter, I might go for it. The sleeves, I really don't mind. There's a lot of give in here. So if you're a tie-dye kind of person, you might really like this. It might be cute with leggings. I don't wear leggings in the summer at all. So I just, it doesn't work for me, but it's cute. The colors are great. The material is great. The fit, if you like that longer fit, you're going to love this. But it does have a little hole here. So this is a no, but I've got dresses. So all hope is not lost. Let's see. Y'all, this is cute and light and comfy, but I don't think it looks too boxy on me. It's not tight anywhere. Look at this color. It's got the little blue and white flowers. It's got a scoop neck and then this kind of yoke all the way down of crochet. It even has a lining. It is about knee length. I don't mind it. Here's the back. Little keyhole here, right? Yep. The sleeves are not too, I mean, they're dipped low, but they're not too bad that I feel like you can't see my bra underneath it. This is super, super cute, super comfortable with a little pair of flats or sandals to kind of dress it up a little with some gold jewelry. Oh, I really, really like this. Yay! Okay. I'm going to try the last dress on. Okay, so here's this one. It does have pockets. It's very roomy. The material is stretchy. The sleeves are fine. Here's what it looks like. It's, see that like kind of denim-y periwinkle cornflower with the flowers on it. The length is good. It's knee length. It's really comfortable. Here's the back. This would be a great swim cover-up, or if you're at the beach and it's breezy and you don't want anything constrictive at all, this would work. It is super lightweight. I don't know if it's as flattering as the yellow one. Maybe if it was a size smaller. I mean, I don't want to emphasize this, but I think it might be just a tad big. I'm just worried though this would pool if it was a size smaller. Yeah, right underwear would hold me in a little bit. It's cute and comfortable. I'm hoping to lose a little bit of weight this summer. Fingers crossed, right? Trying. So this, I'm going to look and see if they have this in a size down. And I might, if they do have it in a size down, I might get it because it's great. There's plenty of room all over. So this is one, if you are thinking about getting Fashom and you want a nice summer dress or a beach cover-up or something that you can just kind of throw on and be comfortable, these two dresses are absolutely right in your alley then. All right, so let's come back. Let's talk about prices, and we'll wrap up. So I'll see you in a minute. So let's go over prices. I'm going to start with the shorts. They are Democracy Georgie Bermuda shorts. They're $68. If I keep 3 or 4, they'd be $57.80. If I keep the whole box, they'll be $47.60 for the shorts. The blue Studio Co. It's a Drew Dolman top. It's $46. If I keep 3 or 4, it's $39.10. If I keep the whole box, it's $32.20. The tie-dye is from White Birch. It's the poly tie-dye top. It's $46. If I keep 3 or 4, it's $39.10. If I keep the whole box, it's $32.20. So this and the blue top are the exact same price. The yellow dress, this is Skies Are Blue. It's the lace trimmed floral print dress. It's $45. That is not bad. If I keep 3 or 4, it's $38.25. If I keep the whole thing, it's $31.50. This might be my keeper of the box. And then the blue is by Mito Shop. It's the floral round hem pocketed knit dress. It's only $42. If I keep 3 or 4, it's $35.70. If I keep the whole thing, it's $29.40. Well, I'm not keeping the whole box because I'm not keeping the shorts. But if I did keep the whole box, it's originally $247, but it would be $74.10 off. So it would be $172.90, which is about $47 per piece. So what do you think? I'm thinking the yellow dress might be a maybe. I already did a $20 styling fee. So if I keep it, it would be $25, which is doable. I also might look to see if they have the Mito Shop in the size down. I think this one was a 2X. Where's the tag? Here we go. It's in a 2X. I might look and see if they have it in a 1X. For $42. It's pretty good. I can wear it all summer, and it's sort of not super bright, so I could wear maybe brown leggings underneath it for the fall with a brown jacket. That might be good, or figure out how to kind of tie it up and wear it with jeans. So what do you think? What would you do if you were me? Tell me what looked nice, what maybe didn't look so nice. What would you do about the yellow and the blue dresses? Would you keep those? I think I really might. All right, so thanks for hanging out with me. If you are interested in trying Fashom or getting any of these items sent to you in your fashion box, I do have a link. I'll post it in the description below. I also have a link for Wantable and Stitch Fix, and I'll put those in there as well. I hope you guys are having a good summer and it's not too hot where you live. It's starting to get too hot where I live. So hope to see you soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.